Gentlemen from the picture shown, I perceive three characters, all are male, age group between 23 to 24, and all are in neutral mood. The action of my story is to evacuate people from the disaster site. Sham, Ram, and Arjun went to a forest mountain trek. There, a landslide occurred, due to which people got injured and were in casual situation. The Arjun called the natural disaster team. Till then, they took the initiative to help people get evacuated from there and give them the necessary first aid. In doing so, Sham injured himself. Seeing the situation, Arjun laid him down, gave him the first aid, took him to the nearest hospital, and maintained his sanity. Till then, the natural disaster team came. Together they helped other people to get out of the situation, and in cooperation and with their consistent effort, they maintain and control the situation.
Jai Hind everyone. In the picture given to us, I have perceived three characters, all males and aged 20 years. And the overall mood of the picture is positive. And the action involves taking unwell friend to a hospital. Rohan is a college student and also a member of Scout. They were gone on a forest camp where they were tracking and learning about forest survival. Due to immense heat, one of his friends, Sam, was faced by heat stroke, and due to that, he fainted. In order to help him, they first gave him first aid, which involved using damp clothes from the riverside and trying to cool off his body. And to rush him to the hospital, they soon began trying to make a stretcher out of the woods and also use the sheet in their bag. With that, they were able to go to the camp on time, and he was able to get professional guidance and get well soon. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived three characters all in a positive mood, age ranging from 22 to 23. Ram, a 23-year-old young lieutenant posted in Assam, was coming to his medical office, he saw that there was a lack of stretcher being present to evacuate their teammates. So upon coming to this, he took the permission from his CO to conduct a mock drill where he illustrated how to use the local natural resources by like bamboo to make a stretcher, and with the help of leaves and ropes how to make a proper stretcher, and illustrated how the body loads can be carried through that stretcher made from natural resources, and through this he made aware everyone of his teammates about doing so. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, in the given picture I have identified three main characters. The age group is ranging from 25 to 26 years and the mood of the characters is positive. The action of my story is helping an injured comrade. So Raj, a 25-year-old forest official, was posted and was patrolling near the jungles of Nagaland. While patrolling, he noticed an injured comrade. So he immediately took the initiative of cleaning the wound of the comrade, sanitizing it properly. He lifted him in a proper level in order to avoid bleeding. Then he used a cotton cloth to seal up the wound. He immediately coordinated with his buddy and used the local woods and sticks which were available in order to make a proper stretcher, and identified a clean bridge to go to the sanitation and hospital, and finally rescue him.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have pursued three characters. The age ranging between 24 to 25, and the overall mood of the story is positive. The action of my story is helping teammates, and my story goes like to Ramesh, who is in Indian Army. He and his buddy were assigned to work of the inspection in the forest, where during inspection he found that one of his teammates is lying injured there. They quickly reached there and given him necessary first aid. After that, they make stretcher from the woods and material present there. Then they took him to their base camp and admitted him to the hospital. Thank you.
Then friends, from the given picture, I have perceived there are three characters. All three are male and age around 23 to 25 and mood positive. And action of my story is taking the friends to hospital. Ramesh is a sepoy in the army and he was posted in the border area. During the operation, he finds that one of his friends got injured badly. So he immediately used the bamboo sticks, makes the temporary stretcher. And after giving the first aid, he, with the help of his buddy, take his friend to the nearest base hospital for the further treatment. After admitting, he wait for his friend to get conscious and give the good news to the commanding officer and return back to his border area. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters. All three are males, and their age ranges from 35 to 38 years. The action of my story is rescuing the soldiers from the battle area. So Rajesh, a 38 years old officer in the Indian Army, was serving in the forests of Jharkhand. When one day they encountered a group of anti-social elements, while firing at them and fighting with them bravely, later they all eliminated them. But he also found that some part of his soldiers and some team of his soldiers were also badly injured. So he took the initiative and helped all of his soldiers and teammates to make bamboo stretchers so that his injured soldiers and other teammates could be taken to the nearest base hospital with ease at the earliest. He helped his soldiers to get the meditative care there so that they could get well soon. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive three characters, all male. The age range is between 28 to 36-year-old. All are in positive mood. And the action of the story is conducting a war drill. Aditya, a 36-year-old man, is in Indian Army. His battalion is conducting a war drill where they are evacuating the injured soldier. So Aditya provided first aid kit to the injured soldier and took him to the stretcher by the help of his buddy and took him to a safe place where he provided further medical assistance and successfully completed the drill. Aditya kept the team motivated and made improvements in these different sectors. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I perceive three characters from the picture. All three are males. Mood is positive. Age group is between 30 to 32. The action of my story is evacuating and patrolling in the forest. Ramesh, 32-year-old, is a forest ranger and was posted in Budni. While he was assigned the task of patrolling, he took two subordinates and went on the patrolling. While patrolling, his subordinate got fainted. He helped him but unable to gain conscious. With another subordinate, he plugged two bamboos and with the help of rope he makes stretcher. He picked them up, go to the nearest base camp, and after that he called for a medical emergency. After the arrival of medical emergency, he went with patrolling with another subordinates and completed his task. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive three characters. All are male. Age bracket is between 23 to 24, and all are in positive mood. Action of my story is rescuing a friend. Rohan, a 23-year-old lieutenant in the Indian Army, who is posted in Nagaland. One day during the routine patrolling, one of his subordinates get injured in the leg. So he rushed towards him, check him up, give him first aid, and tie his leg with a tree branch, and make a stretcher out of tree branches, ropes, and jackets, and carry him over to the nearest unit hospital, admitted him for the further medications and checkup. Thank you.
Jai Hind gentlemen, from the given picture, I have perceived three male characters of age group 21 to 29, and the overall mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is evacuating the injured company commander. Ram, a recently passed out cadet of IMA, was recently commissioned in the Rashtra Rifles as a lieutenant. One day, their company commander took them to a training exercise in the jungles of Baramulla. While climbing the mountain, he saw that his company commander fell down and he was injured and he went unconscious. Ram rushed to him and they made a stretcher, gave him first aid and took him to the nearby base hospital where he got proper treatment. While after getting consciousness, his company commander thanked them, and later Ram was awarded with the Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters, all male, age ranging between 22 to 24, in a positive mood. Action of my story is evacuating the injured from the front lines for getting medical attention. Divyansh, who is a medic for Indian Army, and deployed for evacuating the injured soldiers from the front lines and to take him to the medical camps in the behind to the front lines. And on to doing this, so he tackled a situation where he got a broken bridge, and with the help of nearby tree, he managed to make a temporary bridge and also got some ladders from the trenches from the front line, and then with the help of that temporary bridge he crossed the bridge and then later admitted that injured soldier to the medical camp and returned back, and with the help of others he made that bridge much more sustainable for further use.
Okay, online you can start your discussion. You can start your discussion.
Riya to Anshu and Parth to this. We'll start with Riya to Anshu first.
So gentlemen, as we have seen from the picture that there is some kind of pressure going on. So what do we for carrying your mobile phone from the direct and the evacuation and being performed? So we can evacuation and the of data and as it is a forest area, so from the national government, they could use the resources like bamboo and something in branches which will be help us grow
using the
and
wood to make a
found
makeshift
bamboo
structure
and
and
maybe
maybe
before that
also at the fact that he was using a cotton cloth to stop the bleeding.
Yes, and also the natural resources which are present
Yes,
there. As
exactly.
it is a forest area, so they must be using bamboo to make a structure.
And also told other companion to how to tie these things in the bamboo so that it can be more.
Yes, and he
Yes,
also
and
coordinated
the
the
point
point
and they also
there was a
showcased how to properly keep
Yes,
a
and-
person in a stretcher so that he won't further
Yes,
fall out of the
followed the
stretcher.
entire
Yeah.
protocol and
Going in the
he
right
also
direction, we
motivated
also
the
use
person
the
that not to
forest
use no
area
kind.
to
Yeah.
go back and go back to the camp.
Yeah, and they safely
In
evacuated.
this way,
Okay, gentlemen, all the person character knows what are male activating a petrol. He continues from the
So we can use the wood after the
with the rope and the jacket for the most stabilized.
The first aid was given to the injured with the use of rope to make him
After time we can stay with the base and after we get elimination and by until the medical emergency has been arrived, we will wait there and we will subordinate the petrol.
Okay. Nominator person online, nominator person offline.
Gentlemen, I would like to do the
कौन बोलेगा ऑनलाइन ऑनलाइन ओके सिद्धांत एंड इधर से कौन बोल रहा है इधर से ये अनुष्का एंड वैदिक और इधर से ये और पार्थ पार्थ का मूड नहीं है अंशु Yeah. Yeah, Siddharth, please start.
So in the picture we have perceived the three characters, all aged between 20 to 25. They are a polished official and the action of our story is evacuating a fainted flame. So they were Mohit, a 23-year-old boy who is a forest official, were going in a survey in the forest with his other two subordinates. There one of his friends got fainted due to slipping in the jungle. So they quickly gave him some water and emergency medicines and made stretchers from bamboo and rope that they were carrying. And then they took him to the base camp and treated there well. Thank you.
Okay. खड़े होके.
Jai Hind everyone, thank you for nominating. So in the given picture, I have perceived three characters, all male and ages between 20 to 23. The overall mood of the picture is positive and the action involves taking injured friend to hospital. Rohan is a college student and also a member of Scouts. They were gone on a forest camp where they were tracking and also learning about forest survival. During that, they learned that their friend tripped and fell and he injured himself and also he became unconscious. So for that they provided a medical assistance and first aid which involved washing his wounds with the water body available there and also giving him first aid available in their bag. And after that they made a stretcher out of the wood present in the forest and sheets in their bags and rushed him to the back to the camp where he was giving professional guidance, and he recovered soon.
Javedi.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jain sir. In the given picture, we have identified 3 characters. All are male. The age group is ranging from 23 to 25 years, and the mood of the characters is positive. The action of our story is helping an injured comrade. So Rahul, a 25-year-old forest official, was patrolling near the forest in Nagaland when he noticed an injured comrade. So he immediately coordinated with his buddy, cleaned the wound of the injured person by using the overall sanitation kit which was present with him. Apart from this, he also used a cotton cloth in order to close up the wound and stop the bleeding. He coordinated with his friend to make a makeshift stretcher from the local woods which were available, and then he used a clean bridge and admitted him to the local camp.
Thank you, friends, for nominating me for the group common story. Jain sir, we have perceived there are 3 characters in the picture. All 3 are male and age around 23 to 25 and mood positive. And action of our story is helping the person in the forest. Ramesh is the forest ranger. While he was patrolling one day along with his buddy, he finds that one injured person, he was unconscious. So he immediately rubbed his feet, brought him conscious, and made a stretcher by using the wood available. And he laid him down and lifted carefully and reached the camp. And after reaching there, they gave him treatment and helped him. Thank you.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jahan sir, from the given picture, we all have perceived 3 characters. All 3 are male. Mood is positive. Age group is between 30 to 32. The action of our story is evacuating and went on the patrolling. Ramesh, 32 years, is a forest ranger. He went on a patrolling with his subordinates. While patrolling, one of his subordinates got fainted. While helping him, he unable to get conscious. So he, with another subordinate, he plucked wood from the forest, and with the help of rope, he makes stretcher. He went on the base camp and called for the medical emergency. Wait until the medical emergency has been arrived, and after the arrival of medical emergency, they went on the patrolling with another subordinate, and in the end they completed their task of patrolling. Thank you.